Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. Today, we're inside the house, and we're going to do a product review of the Grow Well 2-tier indoor seed starting rack. And it comes with 60 pods and the grow lights. We're going to put it together via time lapse and then discuss it. Let's get started. So out of the box, this is what we have. This is reservoir 1, reservoir 2, 2 sets of grow lights, the building material for the tiers, the area where the pods actually sit in. We have 4 boxes that have your canisters and your electrical cords in. You have your cases for the grow pots to sit in. You have your sponges, you have labels, and you have caps. And we have a liquid version of the food, A and B. And we also have refills. And last but not least, we have a measuring pitcher and a measuring cup. So we're going to go ahead and put this together via time lapse and come back. So we have it put together, and as you can see, it has a bottom reservoir and a top reservoir. The bottom reservoir can hold up to 24 liters of water and fertilizer. Now, I don't know how much that is in gallons, but I have it filled to the max right now with the 24 liters. And I'm going to add the plant food in. The directions on the pamphlet says that for 32 liters, you add 160 milliliters of plant A and plant B. It comes with both. And there are refillable packets as well. So what I'm going to do is, it also says that for 24 liters, it's like 125. So I'm going to pour basically half of plant A and half of plant B into the reservoir here down at the bottom. And When you're mixing this up, it's just like with any other hydroponic. You add your water to it and shake it up until it's thoroughly dissolved. The granules are thoroughly dissolved. So, as I said, we're going to pour about half of this in. Perfect. Okay, so that's plant A. And plant B is a clear liquid. So, and again, we're going to do the same thing. Pour about half of it into the reservoir. Bingo. And we are now basically ready to plant. Now we're going to go over a few of the schematics. Let's start with the lights first. Here is your first light bar that we're looking at. It has the number 2 on it, and you have the second light bar down here. They work independently of each other. I can turn this one on. There we go. And I can turn it off. Come on. There we go. Independently of each other. Both have a 16-hour timer or a 22-hour timer. Both have a vegetable sitting and a fruit and flower sitting. And as I said, they are independently operative from each other. Now, they both can go up and down just by moving this up or moving it down both sides. You can do that with both of the lights. It came with 30 of these caps. I currently have all 30 on the top row. It also came with some clear caps when you are seeding and you want to see the development of your seedling through the clear cap. It also came with labels so that you could write what you are planting and then stick it in these little holes here. It also comes with a low water alarm so that when you are low on water in your reservoir down here, it will go off. It runs off of 2 AA batteries, which is not included. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and plant some seeds. I'm not going to bore you with that, but I am going to go ahead and plant some seeds. And when they start to germinate, we'll do an update video of how everything is going. If you are interested in the purchase of one of these, I have a link for them. I'll put it in the description portion of the video as well as the comment section of the video. So this system allows you to grow 60 plants simultaneously. You can save space, water, and time. Some of the things that you can grow are vegetables, herbs, fruits, and flowers year-round with this system. The system is 3 feet wide by 1.5 feet in width. I'm sorry, 3 feet tall by 1.5 feet in width, and provides you a lot of space to grow. It has a self-circulating 32-liter water tank and providing weeks of automated hydration for your plants. It has 2 full spectrum LED lights. They will allow your plants to grow 3 times faster It will boost photosynthesis of your plants with a dual 30-watt full spectrum, and it will mimic real sunlight. Your plants won't know the difference. It has adjustable heights, which is one of the things I like about it. As I said, the design is simple, but very sturdy. And it's just a matter of lowering the light up or down or wherever it is that you need for it to be. And it provides a wide range of coverage for your plants and your seedlings. And it comes with 2 smart modes, one for vegetables, one for fruits and flowers. It comes also with 2 programmed times. It can be for 16 hours or 22 hours. And the company provides complete lifetime support for their product. And as I said, I have a link for it, and I'll put it in the description and comment portion of the video. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we demonstrated and put together the Grow Well 2-tier hydroponic system. I am going to love it. I can grow inside lots of different things, and that's what I will be doing. I am glad that they reached out to me. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.